Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to draw a radius on Google Maps. It's very quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and open Google Maps. Well, you should know that there's no built-in option to draw a radius on Google Maps. So you have to go ahead and open a new tab, then type in mapdevelopers.com. On your mapdevelopers.com, you can see options like home, examples, map tools, additional maps, embedded maps. There are lots of options. You just have to select map tools. Then from the drop down menu, go ahead and select the second option, which is draw a circle tool. Under there, you can see you can use the address, the radius, the circle, border, etc. There are a lot of options. Go ahead, type in the address. I'm gonna type in Cotton, Durbar, Square. Well, you can type in any address wherever you want the radius in. I'm gonna type in 20 miles here. Then select the color here. Then go ahead and, well, you might get few ads because this is a free website. Just cancel them out. Then now there you can see zoom to address, new circle, edit circle, move circle, etc. Go ahead, tap on the new circle option. Then you're gonna see your radius there. Well, there you go. That's it. That's how you draw a radius on Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.